Hello and welcome back. Just a quick reminder before we get started to please do like, subscribe, share with someone else you think might enjoy our videos. Looks like today we're doing number 182. Let's finish off this row here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here. So this is our 4. We've got a 6 here. So 5, 6, and that makes this our 5. For this column now, we're missing a 5. This column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing a 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, up, and a 3 here, so this is our 7. That 3 means this is our 1, 7. For this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so up, 7, 2. And we made a mistake down here already. We've got 2 7s here, 2 7s here, so can I fix that? 1, 2. I think this was supposed to be a 3. Let's see if we can finish this out and if that fixed it. So that would be a 1 for this column. For this box now we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. For this row we're missing a 2. For this box we're missing a 3 and a 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 8, 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. And for this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 or a 4 up there, so this is our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. And then we're just left with these to fill in. 3, 6, 3, 6. All right. Thought we made a mistake there, but it looks like we got it fixed. Thank you again for joining me today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.